on the CNCs. Everyone's like, oh man, you're crazy, you could just tap on the CNC machine. And I'm like, it's just one more tool, it's just one more thing to program, it's one more thing that I have to do in there on the computer where I want to rip my head off. I come out here and I just rip, done. You know what it is we build one thing at a time. We're a rapid prototype. You know, I don't have to line up 30,000 derby covers and drill them all out or tap them all. It's one part at a time and on to the next one. I might not ever make that same part again. So the versatility coming out and using the FlexARm, I can just jam the taps out. I don't got to worry about programming it or breaking the tap in the machine or any more extra programming, because it's quicker for me to grab the tap and just rip it than to go in and do some more G-code and mess around with tapping stuff on the machine.
Right? This thing keeps you straight up and down.
This minimizes the time. It cuts it in half. So as far as I'm concerned, this is probably the most used tool in our shop.